Hey guys, welcome back to Hesham World. Today we're going on a journey to Melbourne Christmas lights. We are going on a train to get to Melbourne. After 5 minutes, the train arrived to Melbourne, and here it comes in 3, 2, 1. There it is, and this is the inside of the train. It took us 10 minutes to travel to Melbourne. After a long time, we finally arrived at the station and went to the light show, as you can see. And firstly, we went to a big Christmas tree which lights up at night. The tree we went to eat. After we ate, we followed the Yara River to the carnival. We arrived at the carnival. Firstly, we looked at everything and then we went on carnival rides. Watched other people do the carnival games to see how to do the carnival games. That was it. Basically, we watched other people play games and learn how to play them, and yeah. After that, it was basically it. And we watched some people do the circle thing. And firstly, we went to the bumper cars. And firstly, we had to wait in the line. Really long line. And then the Ferris wheel. So here are the bumper cars. I'm in one of the pink, purple, blue seats. Are not in the grey seats. When it stopped, which is gonna stop soon, well, I think it is, and after that we went to the Ferris wheel, which is amazingly people with the wheelchair, and you can ride in. And here we are going to the top, and here's all the rides. There's the Croc roller coaster, zip line, which is not in the fair, sadly. Balloon wheel thing, mini cup merry-go-round. And as we went higher, it became darker, and when we got to our next destination, which is not here, which is a different place, it's a bit dark, but that's the best thing about it. I enjoyed the carnival, and now we're going to a different place. Now we're just looking at the buildings as we're going higher. A drink. We went to our next destination in Melbourne and we saw the Santa as we went out of the fair. As you can see, Santa is in a boat and instead of reindeers, they're dolphins. And Santa has a life jacket. And there's, instead of a bag, there's an inflatable bag balloon for the presents. And even the bridge out of the life thing are colored Christmassy. And when it got darker, the Ferris wheel actually did some cool things, which I'm gonna show you soon. As soon as we turn around. And after this bus goes. Go away, bus. I want to see the Ferris wheel. And after this tram goes, we can see the Ferris wheel. And as you saw, all the buildings and the Christmas tree is lighting up, actually. And look, we even saw a horse cart, and the Ferris wheel is colored up. Look at the car. And the Ferris wheel was actually lighting up. And there it's the Ferris wheel spinning up, circus thing. And here we are going back. And soon you'll see the Christmas tree lighting up. And there it is, the Christmas tree, which is amazingly lighting up in many different colors. I don't know why, but it is. I think it's decoration. Yeah, it's decoration. It's decoration. And it's photo. And now we're going to a place where I think also, fun fact, guys. This is the Australian's longest and fourth longest railway platform in the world. Now we're going to watch a film. And at the end, it just restarts. And the streets are decorated as well with street decorations, and they must cost a lot. And when we got back to the train, we waited again. Oh, this time 3 minutes. Which turned to 2, then 1, and when we got home, we scanned our cards and went back home. Hit the like and subscribe, friends. See you next time in another video. Bye.